What do all these dangerous situations have in common? Watch the video to find out. The Pelsu lifeguard system protects workers from falling while operating in confined spaces, like inside a sewer shaft. At first glance, it might look fragile, but it holds over 2 tons. Impressive. Even better, one worker can set it up in just a few minutes, which is crucial for emergency repairs. Its lightweight yet strong frame made of aluminium and steel securely anchors lifelines and winches, and it centers easily over a manhole, making work down below more comfortable. On top of that, the Pelsu lifeguard is also suitable for rescue operations. Echo barrier modules take on construction site noise and save the ears and nerves of nearby residents. They cut sounds from jackhammers and other loud tools by up to 43 decibels. You can easily mount the panels on a fence, for example, but they also come in more creative forms like tents. Whatever the setup, they're built tough, handling extreme temperatures from -40 to 70 degrees Celsius. And they're waterproof too. What really stands out is their durability. They last 5 times longer than similar products. That's what makes them a smart investment for construction crews. This is what investing in quiets looks like. The team at Kinsell knows a thing or two about protective barriers. As well, their Armis 1 and Armis Go models keep pedestrians safe from vehicles and do it with impressive reliability. Armor Skiff, for example, is the most robust barrier in its class. Designed specifically for high-traffic events, it can stop a 7.2-ton truck going 48 kilometers per hour. Armis 1 can do that too, but it adds more flexibility. For one, it's foldable, segments lower in just seconds, and it's built as a ramp, which makes installation even easier. Sometimes protective systems don't just offer peace of mind, they're also fun. A group of riders turns Japanese avalanche barriers into an extreme ski course. Each descent includes 5 jumps that practically beg for tricks. Smart Fence 2 is a mobile electric fence you can take just about anywhere. The pole spools and wires all come in a compact portable kit. One person can deploy a 100-meter long, 90-centimeter high barrier on their own. It works for everything from protecting remote pastures to setting up temporary fences at livestock shows. Smart Fence 2 can be powered by a generator or linked to another fence system. Notable features include for spools right out of the box and a self-tensioning system that prevents wire tangling. know how much plastic waste ends up in the ocean each year? About 500,000 tons. To fix this, we can start with the widespread use of seeds blue barriers. This system is one of the most accessible and effective for intercepting plastic waste in rivers under normal conditions. It captures 100% of debris. When water levels rise, it still catches 92%. Even plastic that travels underwater won't get through, and it doesn't interfere with boat traffic or aquatic life. Maintenance is minimal with all these advantages. Seeds blue barriers are a powerful way to protect our already struggling ecosystems. Hydrobophil turns water from an enemy into an ally. This system was designed for flood protection and when folded, looks like a giant roll. Just unroll it where needed and fill it with water. That's it, your barrier is ready. It adapts to changes in elevation and works on any terrain. From marshy to rocky, each roll is self-contained and comes with everything needed for deployment. Hydrobophil holds up even against water levels up to 2 meters. And unlike sandbags, it takes far less effort to set up. That means the same crew can protect a much larger area. During a snowstorm, visibility on the road can drop to dangerously low levels, and the powerful gusts of wind can catch even experienced drivers off guard. That's where Rick and Kojio's barriers come in. They're equipped with clever diagonal plates at the top, which don't just deflect wind and blowing snow, but also double visibility in blizzard conditions. Compared to standard barriers, winter roads are no longer a test of survival, but a challenge you can face fully prepared. No wonder Rick and Kojio tests their designs in wind tunnels and regularly patents new innovations. Turbo technology is taking access control to the next level, with advanced turnstiles that bring future tech into the present. Thanks to their infrared anti-pinch protection, they ensure the safety of everyone passing through. Clients can customize their turnstiles with systems that recognize not just standard access cards, but also faces and fingerprints. Need a turnstile with a temperature scanner? No problem, and despite all those features, the barriers operate at high speed. A standard model handles up to 50 people per minute. The auto reset feature guarantees the gate always closes after a set time. In short, turbo technology turnstiles are built for busy places like airports, offering both protection and smart crowd control. Meet Yodik, a universal protective barrier system. It's useful both at large public events and on road work sites. The setup consists of lightweight plastic blocks, with one version weighing just 32 kg. That makes them easy to move by hand and with no equipment needed, but just in case the blocks have openings for forklift forks. You can fill your dock with either water or sand. There's a drain hole at the base of each barrier. The blocks come in various colors. The white and orange are the most popular. Any idea why? Share your thoughts in the comments. In the meantime, here's a detail. One block 1.8 meters long and 80 centimeters high costs $389. The PFX Mobile Barrier System is designed for anyone who regularly works with high-pressure testing. For example, it's a great fit for heating and ventilation specialists, for people in the oil and gas industry, and even for experts in aerospace. With PFX, hydrostatic and pneumatic tests are much easier to carry out. Each section consists of protective screens mounted on mobile frames. They're easy to transport and connect, which makes them especially helpful during field testing. Plus, the company also offers more robust barriers used in multi-stage hydraulic fracturing. These remote-controlled robo-cones don't just mark off boundaries quickly, but also form an invisible barrier of safety. Workers no longer have to risk their lives placing cones by hand, and drivers immediately know where to go. Besides, these cones can sync with wearable sensors. Just think how clever that is. If a careless driver enters the work zone by accident or on purpose, the sensors on workers' vests will vibrate, light up and make noise. A warning in time is a life saved. With these helpers on wheels, road safety is entering a new era. Finally, workers can focus on their jobs, instead of worrying about oncoming traffic. Tire Killer is an extremely strong spike barrier. It's able to withstand loads of up to 50 tons. That means it's suitable for both cars and heavy trucks. It's also highly visible, so drivers can't miss it. Those two qualities make Tire Killer a smart choice for securing airports, embassies, and even military bases. The spikes deploy in just 2 seconds. Tire Killer works in temperatures from 75 to -35 degrees Celsius. And if the site can't accommodate an automatic or semi-automatic system, there's also a manual option.